Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So this is our own van, or my own van, which I am selling. Had this van since about 86,000 miles. It's now done 169,000 miles. Obviously started life as a transporter van. Back at 86,000 miles it was converted into a sort of day van. 2011 61 plate. As you can see, it's had the 5.1 front bumper upgrade, some nice LED headlamps, and they have some really powerful Xenon Dipped Beam bulbs which we have had fitted as well, which work really well. So it's got Bilsteins on, it's been lowered, obviously it's got 20-inch wheels on. It's had the side window conversions done. Obviously it's got privacy glass. It has a nice Scorpion quad exit exhaust system. It's been remapped. LED lights to the rear. Rock and roll bed inside. Carpeted, lined, insulated. Electric windows. Trimmed out in black and orange. Has a Pioneer head unit which you can plug your phone into, so you can have your sat nav ways on there. It's Bluetooth for your phone, DAB radio. In the doors there's uprated Pioneer 8-inch cones. It has been no expense spared. On the maintenance side, there's a fold down TV DVD player in the roof. Obviously nice speakers in the walls at the back, LED lighting in the roof, pull out rock and roll bed with 2 seat belts. There is an inverter down there, and those are window sunshades, so you can block the light out. All properly insulated and lined. So we have a massive printout of service history. The van had full service history before we had it, up to 86,000 miles, and since then it has had, whenever it wants it, obviously tyres, brakes, front suspension, arms, 17 or 18 oil changes, new clutch, cam belt at 90,000 miles and cam belt at 163 or 67,000 miles. Cam belt about 12 months ago. It's now done 169,000 miles. 5-speed manual 2-litre diesel. As I say, it's been remapped. It's very good on fuel. We've kept it in lovely condition. Mega service history. I mean, it's been used. These are some new side repeaters. The ones on the vehicle still work, but the fronts have dropped off them. But there's some new ones to be fitted there. Recently had new tyres. Brakes were about 6,000 miles ago. 2 keys, remote central locking alarm. Drives very, very well. Super clean under the bonnet. £11,995. Got mega service history with it, anything it has ever wanted. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll be one of the first people to know every time we have a vehicle come into stock, because when we upload the video to YouTube, if you have subscribed, you will get a little notification to your phone or laptop or desktop to say we've just put that car on. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.